Good evening and welcome to the 2023 C Water Main Replacement Project meeting. Thank you for joining us. Please be advised this meeting will be recorded. A recording of the meeting will be available via the Cleveland Water Department YouTube channel. Please share this information with neighbors who are not available for this live broadcast. Following the presentation, you will be welcome to enter your questions in the chat. The meeting coordinator will read the questions to the project manager for a response. It's now my pleasure to introduce the project manager for this project, Martin Reese.
Thank you. We get the next slide. Okay, our agenda, we just had opening remarks. We're going to have a project description. We're going to discuss traffic, parking, and contact information. Then we have questions and comments, and then we have closing remarks. For the project summary, we have a total project cost of about $1,278,665.10. This includes work on Potter Court, Starkweather Avenue, West 18th Place, West 19th Street, and West 19th Place. The awarded contractor is Noche Enterprises. Construction is slated to begin April 15th, and construction will end November 1st. What you see now is an overall project map. This project is going to include work on Potter Court for West 19th Place to West 25th Street. It's 373 linear feet of new 8-inch water main. We have Starkweather Avenue from West 18th Place to Scranton Road. That's 218 linear feet of new 8-inch water main. We have West 18th Place from Auburn Avenue to 250 feet north of Starkweather. That's 981 linear feet of new 8-inch water main. Then we have West 19th Street, West 19th Place. We have West 19th Street and West 19th Place from Auburn Avenue to the dead end. And that's 1,864 linear feet of new 8-inch water main. Work's going to include installation of new service connections, installation of new fire hydrants, and after work is complete, we'll be doing street restoration. We're going to discuss traffic, parking, and contact information. The contractors' typical work hours from 7:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. But the city ordinance allows the contractor to work until 7 p.m., but that will only be done on a case-by-case basis. Traffic will be maintained while construction is underway. Residents will be notified in advance of changes. Water service and fire protection will be maintained throughout the project, and there will be temporary service connections required throughout the project, and they will be maintained. You see the contact information here. I'm Martin Reese, the project manager. That's my contact information. Our inspector for this project will be Aaron Clark, and that is his contact information. We also have contact information from the contractor. That's Noche Enterprises. You see the number for the after hours emergency line, and then we also have the Cleveland Water emergency line. Thank you.
Martin, I'm not seeing any questions in the chat. Do you want me to scroll back to the map for just 1 second before we exit out?
Yeah, you can scroll back to the map one more time just to show the general project area.
Okay, there it is. As there are no questions in the chat, I'm going to conclude the meeting. Thank you for joining us today. If you require additional information, please feel free to contact us with any questions or concerns that you may have. That concludes this meeting. Have a nice evening.